Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A16, and today I'll show you how you can enable and stop your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now, somewhere here we should have our Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it is visible right over here. You might find it on the second page. Once you find it, hold it the first time around, and then select Details, and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here you can obviously customize how the mode will function. So choose all the settings. I'm going to touch upon only the two options that I find important to just talk about, which would be the schedule mode, which allows you to just select, as the name implies, a schedule with a start and end time and the days of the week. And additionally, you have the For How Long option, which defines what happens when you enable Do Not Disturb mode manually by tapping on a toggle. By default, it is set to run until you turn it off, which, if you tend to forget about this, it's just going to run on and on. So I would recommend maybe switching it to a timed one, which is the middle option, and just making it something maybe like 4 hours. So it covers whatever you might need it for in the future, plus just a little bit of time extra in case you forget about it. And then if you do, the phone will turn it off after 4 hours, but you can also do that yourself before the timer runs out. So that's what I'm going to enable. And now, whenever you want to use the mode, simply tap on the toggle. And once you're done with it, you can tap on it once more, which obviously will turn it off. And if you don't, at least the way it's set for me, it's going to automatically turn itself off after 4 hours. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.